Let's start with something that's easy to implement and great for the environment. Why not recycle those materials into something useful? Composting is a natural process where organic materials like crop leftovers, food scraps, and animal waste are broken down by microorganisms, turning them into rich, dark compost. Not only is this great for improving soil fertility, but it also helps reduce your farm's reliance on expensive chemical fertilizers. You can start small by setting up a composting operation on your farm. Collect crop waste, manure, and other organic materials, and in a few months, you'll have high-quality compost that you can use on your own fields or sell to local farmers, gardeners, and landscaping businesses. It's a great way to reduce waste, enrich your soil, and make some extra money on the side.